Welcome home. Welcome home. Welcome home. Welcome home. Welcome home. Yo, good people, welcome. This is Daniel Boateng. This lesson is a guitar cover of Welcome by Osibisa, and I don't just want to sing and then leave you like that. I want to show you how you can play, so join me. That was the first session. Hit on the subscribe button and then join my group, because I have what it takes to teach you all the high life tricks and other things. So subscribe to my channel and be part of the High Life Guitar group. Let's begin. Now, you saw me doing this. This is C minor chord, C minor chord. Okay, let's see. We are looking at C minor chord like this. Okay, this is your root C. Then flat 3. This is the flat 3. That's E flat. Okay, so your first finger bars the 3rd fret over here so that you get your root. Put your second finger on the E flat here. That's the 4th fret on the B string. My 3rd finger is on the 5th fret on the 5th fret of the D string, and then my 4th finger is on the 5th fret on the G string. So we have C, A, C, E flat. It makes it E flat. Okay, C. Let me take it again. It is C, G, 1, 5, 1 flat 3, 1, 5, 1 flat 3. Then we have the 5 over here too. So we have C minor. This is C minor chord. C minor chord. I hope you've seen it. C minor chord. Then I played E flat major here. Then I played G minor here. And I played G sharp major. I also play A sharp or B flat major here. In some cases, I went to F minor here. Good. So these are the chords of the song. And then at C sharp, I am picking this. Okay. Look at the right hand, the thumb, and then the first finger. So do ti la. Okay, do ti la, do ti la. And then the first finger is doing this. Okay. Okay. So let's do that one. Place your finger on C minor, C minor. C minor, it means we are playing E flat major. So the E flat is the do. So it's like this. Do, ti, la. The la is the C. C is the la of C. C is the la of E flat. C is the la of E flat major. Okay, so we have do, ti, la, do, ti. That is what the thumb is playing. And then your first finger is playing the me. It's just like this. So let's try and then take that one and see. So at C minor, you play. Okay. Then you take your second finger off. Then you play the like this. So do, ti, la. So do, mi, ti, mi, la, mi. Okay, do, mi, ti, mi, la, mi. All right, I hope it is okay. So let's look at the left hand side. Do. Okay. Okay, I hope it is clear now. Very close, very closer. Okay, that is that. That is that. All right, so let's look at the chord progressions. Chord progressions. You've been. Okay, then you come to B flat major. C sharp minor. You've been gone, it's an empty hall. Come on back home, really belong. You are always welcome home, welcome home. So let me take that part very slowly for you. Enjoy. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe so that I can be motivated to teach you some of these stuffs. This is an Osibisa songs, welcome home. All right, so let's try. You've been gone, it's an empty home. Come on back where you really belong. You are always welcome home, welcome home. All right, so the chord progressions are on the screen whilst I am playing. The chord progressions are on the screen so that it will help you very, very good. So let's continue. The second verse. You've been kept down for much too long. Stand up, please, and say I am free. Don't forget you are welcome home, welcome home. I hope you have gotten it. Should I take it again? I don't want to waste your time on these things. All right, let's do it one last time, then we go. So it's like this. This is C minor, then you play. Okay, so let's do it in this form. La la la. Maybe you may not know how to sing the song, so let's use la la la. Somebody would prefer using ta ta ta. Okay, so let's do la la la. Okay, la 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 la. The second verse. Okay. La la la. Go. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Okay, so I hope this one is well explained, and then the chords are on the screen. subscribe to my channel, hit on the subscribe button and then the notification. Leave a comment at the comment section. I have a package for each and every one. The first 100 people who will give a thumbs up will have a free video session and a lesson with me. So be part of this first 100 people. We will meet next time. Thank you.